Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Jira with Zendesk. To get started, open Zendesk and make sure you are on the home screen. This is the main starting point for accessing your workspace settings and integrations. If you are already signed in, you should be able to move through these steps quickly. From the home area, look to the top left of the screen and click the Support drop-down. This menu gives you access to additional areas within Zendesk, including the administrative tools needed to manage apps and integrations. Once the drop-down opens, select Admin Center. This will take you away from the agent workspace and into the settings area where account-level configuration options are available. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second, since admin sections can sometimes be slightly slower than the main ticket view. In Admin Center, move to the left-hand navigation panel and click the Integrations app section. This is where Zendesk organizes connected tools, installed apps, and external services that can work alongside your support environment. After that, click Integrations. This will open the list of available or installed integrations associated with your Zendesk setup. Here you can manage connections between Zendesk and other platforms, including Jira. Now look for Jira in the list. If you have several integrations displayed, take a moment to scan carefully so you select the correct one. It helps to read the integration names closely before moving forward. When you find Jira, click the three-dot menu set next to it. This menu usually contains additional actions related to that integration. From the options that appear, choose Connect. At this stage, Zendesk will prompt you to enter the Jira account information. Type in the Jira account details requested on the screen. Be careful to enter the information accurately, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. If you are copying the account name from another source, double-check it before continuing. Once the account details have been entered, go to the bottom right of the screen and click Connect to Jira. This final action submits the connection request and starts the integration process between the two platforms. After you click the button, Zendesk should begin linking with Jira. If everything was entered correctly, the integration will be set up and ready for use. That's all it takes to connect Jira with Zendesk through the Admin Center integration settings.